Good morning Team Bly and a very warm welcome to Celebration Assembly for this week. It's been a brilliant week this week at school. We've seen lots more children return to us from the year groups where the children are eligible to come back, and it's been brilliant to see them and their smiley faces and such an array of happy parents as well. So it's been great to see them back. It's also been brilliant to see that the online learning is still taking place so effectively as well. So congratulations and well done to all of you. Let's have a see then who has made it into Celebration Assembly this week. Okay, so in Key Stage 2 this week, and we're going to start in Year 3, and we're going to start in Ash class. And this is an achievement badge. And this is for someone who's been working really hard on their online assignments and getting them complete every single day. He tries his very best and has achieved some excellent results. And the achievement badge in Ash class goes to Freddie. Very, very well done, Freddie. And I look forward to seeing all the brilliant work that you've done when you return to school. Let's have a see which clap that you're going to get. And for Freddie, it is a marshmallow clap. Very, very well done, Freddie. Amazing stuff. Staying in Year 3, and we are going to go into Elm class. And this is another achievement badge for making excellent progress in reading. And this is for Olivia. And it says here, Olivia, that you've been making sure that you are constantly referring back to the text when answering the questions, and you're being a lot more specific in your answers to your reading comprehension as well. So very well done. Let's see what clap we're going to do for you. There we go. And we have microwave. Very well done, Olivia. Okay, we're going to move into Year 4 now, and this is Mrs Dass's class, and this is a teamwork badge, and this is for Conway. Congratulations, Conway. And this is because you've been doing a great job taking responsibility in group research tasks. You've always been well organised, you're working well with your group and carrying out some excellent research. Very well done, Conway. It's brilliant to hear a teamwork badge happening when you're working from home on Microsoft Teams. So congratulations and well done. Let's have a look and see what clap you're going to get. And it is popcorn. Pop, 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 pop. Well done, Conway. And we are going to stay in Year 4 and Mrs Kingsnorth's nomination. Okay, and this is an achievement badge this week, and this is for Tolu. Very, very well done. Mrs Kingsnorth has said here that you've been putting, that your online learning has been consistently to a very high standard, demonstrating the effort that you are putting in to every task. Very well done. Can't ask more than that. Let's see what clap we have for you and your achievement badge. It is going to be a microwave again. Me. Very well done. Let's move on into Year 5. And in Year 5 we have an achievement badge. And this is someone else who's working really, really hard from home. Amazing. And this is for Thomas. Very, very well, Thomas. And Miss Mills writes about you. I'd like to award Thomas with an achievement badge this week for the hard work and commitment that he has put into his home learning from day one. Thomas completes all tasks to the best of his ability and with the same determination to succeed day after day. Well done, Thomas. Keep it up. That could be a resilience badge as well, Thomas, but an amazing, amazing achievement and a lovely thing to have written about you. So very well done, Thomas. Let's see what clap you have this week. And it is a firework clap. Pew, 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 pew. Very, very well done. Okay, second Year 5 class, Mr Hunt's class, and this is another teamwork badge for someone who's been working extremely well on their Tudor project, and this is for Harry. Very, very well done, Harry. Mr Hunt writes about you that you've organised your team, assigned roles, helped collate the work and brought the project together to produce an excellent PowerPoint presentation. Well done to the whole team, but especially well done to you, Harry. And let's see what clap is coming your way. And it is a Firework clap. Well done, Harry. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, moving into year 6. And the first nomination comes from Mr Elliott. So this is beach class, and this is for someone, it's an achievement badge for someone who's been working ever so hard since they've returned back to school, and it's for Tofunmi. So very, very well done. Mr Elliott writes about you that you're putting in a great amount of effort into every task that you're given by either himself, Mr Green, or Mrs Dance, and we couldn't ask for anything more from you. Keep up the hard work and very well done. Let's have a see what clap we've got for you. And it is a popcorn clap. Well done. Pop, 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 pop. Obviously staying in year 6, and this is Mrs Gammon's bubble. And this is another teamwork badge, and this is for Katie. Very well done, Katie. And your teachers write of you that they've been very impressed with the way that you've settled back into school, that you've been making sure that the other children are feeling okay every day and giving them reminders and helping them with their routines. And this week you've gone out of your way during break time to support another child who was finding their work slightly challenging, and you've been spending time with them to help them get their answers and fully understand their learning. Katie is a real asset to our bubble. Thank you for being so supportive to your peers. Amazing, Katie. Very well done. Let's see what clap we have for you. And this is a marshmallow. Yay. Well done, Katie. Mrs Baker's class, and this is an achievement badge, and this is for someone who, in Mrs Baker's words, has been such a star this week, and this is for Brianna. And your teachers write of you, Brianna, that you're always eager to learn, you participate in all class discussions and always try your very best when you find something tricky. You also demonstrate kindness and encouragement towards both your peers and adults in our bubble. Her positivity always shines through. Very well done. An amazing thing to have written about you. Let's have a see what clap we have for you. And it is microwave clap. Me. Very well done. And finally, for celebration assembly this week, and in year 6 we have Miss Gladman's class, and this is an achievement badge for one of their team in Oak class, and it's for Oliver. And Miss Gladman writes about you, Oliver, that you've really impressed us this week with your learning on fractions. You've worked so hard and now can confidently answer questions using all 4 operations, both during class discussions and independently. So very, very well done, Oliver. And let's see what clap we have for you. And it is a popcorn clap. Pop, 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 pop. Well, well done, Key Stage 2. An amazing week, and I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon.